Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of automotive upgrades to bring your ride to the next level. Today, we're tackling a game-changing aspect of vehicle customization, lift kits. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just looking to enhance your vehicle's appearance, a lift kit can dramatically transform your ride's performance and style. We've handpicked 7 outstanding lift kits that are guaranteed to elevate your experience. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 1.75 kg 09100 BK. First up on our list is the Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 1.75 kg 09100 BK. This kit is specifically designed for TJ Wrangler enthusiasts looking to gain a modest height increase without sacrificing ride quality. The design is sleek and integrates seamlessly with your Wrangler, maintaining that rugged look while providing an enhanced sense. Crafted from high-quality polyurethane, this lift kit is not just about aesthetics, it's built to last. The durability of the materials ensures that your Wrangler can tackle tougher terrains with ease. Installation is straightforward, making it an excellent option for DIYers. The kit includes everything you need to lift your vehicle 1.75 inches, improving ground clearance and allowing for larger tires. The performance enhancement is immediately noticeable with a smoother ride and improved handling, particularly off-road. The Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 1.75 kg 09100 BK truly sets the standard for quality and functionality in lift kits. Number 2. Daystar Lift Kit 4Runner 1.5 kg 09107 BK. Moving on to the Daystar Lift Kit 4Runner 1.5 kg 09107 BK. This kit is tailored for Toyota 4Runner owners. The design philosophy behind this kit focuses on enhancing the 4Runner's natural capabilities while elevating its stance by 1.5 inches. This subtle yet effective lift gives your vehicle a more dominant presence on the road. The quality of the components in this kit is top-notch, ensuring that your lift will stand the test of time. The polyurethane spacers are engineered to withstand the rigors of both on- and off-road driving, offering unparalleled durability. Usability is a key feature of this kit, with a straightforward installation process that appeals to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. The lift not only increases your vehicle's curb appeal, but also enhances its off-road capabilities by improving ground clearance. The Daystar Lift Kit 4Runner 1.5 kg 09107 BK is an exceptional choice for those looking to upgrade their 4Runner's performance and appearance. Number 3. Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 0.75 kg 09107 BK. For those seeking a more subtle lift, the Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 0.75 kg 09107 BK offers a perfect solution. Designed with precision for the TJ Wrangler, this kit provides a slight elevation of 0.75 inches, perfect for enhancing the look of your vehicle without making drastic changes to its performance characteristics. The design and quality of this kit reflect Daystar's commitment to excellence. The polyurethane material used in the spacers is of the highest quality, ensuring both durability and longevity. This lift kit's usability extends beyond simple installation. It offers a balance between improved aesthetics and maintaining the original ride quality. Its durability is noteworthy, making it suitable for both daily driving and occasional off-road adventures. The Daystar Lift Kit TJ Wrangler 0.75 kg 09107 BK is ideal for Wrangler owners who desire a minimal lift with maximum impact. Number 4. Daystar Lift Kit FJ Cruiser 1.5 kg 09127 BK. The Daystar Lift Kit FJ Cruiser 1.5 kg 09127 BK is specially designed for FJ Cruiser enthusiasts. This kit elevates your FJ Cruiser by 1.5 inches, striking the perfect balance between improved aesthetics and enhanced off-road capability. The design seamlessly integrates with the FJ Cruiser's unique styling, complementing its rugged looks. Quality is evident in every component of this kit, from the durable polyurethane spacers to the comprehensive installation hardware. Usability is a key focus, with a design that simplifies installation, making it accessible for vehicle owners with varying levels of mechanical expertise. The durability of this lift kit ensures that your FJ Cruiser can handle more challenging terrains with increased ground clearance and the option to fit larger tires. The Daystar Lift Kit FJ Cruiser 1.5 HT09127 BK effectively enhances both the functionality and appearance of your FJ Cruiser. Number 5. Daystar Suspension Lift KF09150 BK. The Daystar Suspension Lift KF09150 BK stands out as a premier choice for drivers looking to elevate their vehicle without compromising ride quality. Crafted with precision and care, this lift kit embodies the essence of durability and resilience. Its unique design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, but also ensures a smoother ride on even the roughest terrains. Engineered from high-grade polyurethane, the Daystar Lift Kit promises longevity and resistance to wear and tear, setting it apart from its competitors. The inclusion of meticulously designed spacers and mounts guarantees a perfect fit for your vehicle, making installation a breeze. This kit doesn't just lift your vehicle, it uplifts your driving experience, offering unparalleled stability and control. Beyond its robust build, the Daystar Suspension Lift KF09150 BA is renowned for its ability to maintain the factory ride quality while providing the additional clearance needed for larger tires and wheels. This feature is a testament to the kit's thoughtful design, ensuring that performance and comfort go hand in hand. With Daystar, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in a transformative experience that redefines what your vehicle can do. Number 6. Rough Country Suspension Lift F152.5 57030. The Rough Country Suspension Lift Kit for the F150, model number 57030, offers a 2.5-inch lift, tailored specifically for the adventurous spirit of the Ford F150 owner. This kit is a beacon of innovation, meticulously designed to elevate your truck's appearance while enhancing its off-road capabilities. Constructed with the highest quality materials, the Rough Country Lift Kit is built to withstand the tests of time and terrain. Its precision-engineered components ensure a perfect fit, making the installation process straightforward for professionals and amateurs alike. This kit not only lifts your truck but does so in a manner that maintains a balance between performance and aesthetics, ensuring your vehicle stands tall and proud. One of the standout features of the Rough Country Lift Kit is its ability to improve ground clearance, enabling drivers to conquer obstacles that were once deemed insurmountable. The enhanced suspension geometry ensures that ride quality remains top-notch, providing a seamless blend of comfort and functionality. Whether you're navigating through the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, this lift kit guarantees a confidence-inspiring drive, cementing its place as a game-changer in the world of vehicle modifications. Number 7. True-2 Coil Spacer Lift Kit JK Jeep. The True-2 Coil Spacer Lift Kit for the JK Jeep is the epitome of simplicity and efficiency. Designed for Jeep enthusiasts who demand the best, this lift kit offers a straightforward solution to elevate your Jeep's stature and off-road prowess. Its elegance lies in its simplicity, offering a reliable lift without the complexity of more invasive modifications. Crafted from durable materials, the True-2 Coil Spacer Lift Kit ensures your Jeep is ready for any adventure. The spacers are engineered to fit perfectly with your Jeep's existing suspension system, providing a lift that is both effective and aesthetically pleasing. Installation is a hassle-free process, inviting Jeep owners to upgrade their ride with confidence and ease. What sets the True-2 kit apart is its commitment to maintaining the original ride quality of your Jeep. Despite its lifted stance, drivers will experience the same level of comfort and control they come to expect from their vehicle. This kit not only increases clearance for larger tires and obstacles, but does so without sacrificing the integrity of your Jeep's performance. It's a testament to the idea that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most impactful, making the True-2 Coil Spacer Lift Kit a must-have for Jeep owners looking to elevate their driving experience. In the world of automotive enhancements, a lift kit can transform your vehicle from ordinary to extraordinary, blending style, performance, and capability into one cohesive package. Today, we explored 7 game-changing lift kits, each with its unique attributes and benefits. From the rugged durability of the Daystar Suspension Lift to the simple efficiency of the True-2 Coil Spacer Lift Kit, there's a solution for every driver looking to take their ride to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this journey, And until next time, keep pushing the limits of what your ride can do.